Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're kicking off the week looking at gold because it has been one of the main talking points for the last few months now, after hitting record high after record high and then dipping quite vastly below 2600 before recapturing it and even moving past 2700. Now we're just trading roughly around the mid 2650 area. So as we kick off the week, looking towards ISM manufacturing and services PMI data later this week coming out of America and later today actually, and looking to see if that's going to spike up a little bit. And then we've got the all-important non-farm payrolls on Friday. Mixed with that, a testimony from Fed Chair Jerome Powell as well to let us know what the state of the Fed is, and obviously starting the new month if we're going to have one more rate cut by the end of the year. It is looking likely that we will see 25 basis point cut, coming off the already projected amount. However, will it be more than that or will it be nothing at all? You know, a lot of economists have priced in that over 50% chance that there might not even be a rate cut before the end of the year. So lots to talk about, lots to go through. Let's get straight onto the charts. And at the moment, gold, like I said, just trading at the mid 2650, and we'll just see this spike up above 2700. There was hope that we were going to have this kind of V-shaped recovery going on in the near term at least, because it was actually quite bullish, especially when geopolitical tensions were kind of simmering at the moment, or in the last couple of weeks. That calmed down a little bit, but as you can see, we saw this drop off and then this move below 2700. So obviously in this pretty much this choppy market, psychological levels are always something that we like to keep an eye out for, because they do give us some very good support and resistance levels. At the moment, we're just seeing price action now, as I said, just be a little bit undecided. So we'll just see if that actually has any bearing on where we're going to be going next. As you can see, ranging at the moment, consolidating slightly. If we go onto the 4-hour chart, one on the 8-hour at the moment, if we go onto the 4-hour chart, we'll just see a little bit more of a ranging movement, very slightly bullish. But as you can see here, another $50 move to the upside or downside is where we're really seeing what the next signal is for the yellow metal. RSI trading in the neutral area, so not giving us too many signals there, not really bullish or bearish divergences that we can really sink our teeth into. So we're just waiting to see now if we're going to have more of a bullish rhetoric, or depending on the news this week, and obviously the Fed's outlook for not only this month, but for next year, especially with the new president of America coming in January into the Oval Office. We'll see if that's going to have any bearing on where the Fed is going to be going next as well. Quick look on the dollar. The index on the 4-hour chart is slightly coming down now. We're just seeing, after hitting this multi-month high above 108, we're just seeing now price action falling a few dollars and trading below 106 now. So that's quite significant, because obviously the bullish rhetoric for the dollar has actually stopped as well. At one point though, gold and dollar were moving in the same line, which was quite significant, because usually dollar and gold, as you most probably know, run inverse. They don't run together, so in the same way. So if dollar is going higher, gold is usually going the opposite direction, but it was actually moving the same direction for the last few weeks, so we'll wait and see. RSI going into the oversold area, so we could have a slight bounce. When we get too oversold, we do see a slight correction in the market, but how much of that correction will be? Again, not too many divergences. We can see just a slight one here. You could say that it was a slight bearish divergence, which was correct because the price action started moving lower. But how much lower will it go, and where do we see the dollar going? Not for this month, but for 2025 as well. As usual, this video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel, so feel free to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So until then, have a great trading day ahead, a great trading week ahead, and bye for now.